back, guys, and today we're playing another new game. Don't worry, next video I'm gonna post is gonna be a part 2 of Job Simulator. Another game called Get Over It. Well, there's a similar game in VR called Clam on the title. So let's get started. Let's do Twin Hammer. Alright, here we go. Alright, this is us. Okay, first reaction. Whoa. Okay, change the angle. Right. Oh my god. That took so long. Let's jump out with us. Yeah, we up. And we ended up here. So I'm guessing this is sledgehammer. Oh, that's cool. What the? At least I got checked. Yes, I sucked that much. Yeah, so let's jump. Use the line. Jump out. Holy crap. Holy crap! If you want to have a shout out, subscribe. Oh crap. Oh, this is so difficult. Okay, so what if we went? Okay, so we're just gonna do just big jumps. Made it? Wow. Who balanced this? Guy, you are good at Jenga. Oh crap, oh crap, oh crap! No! No! And then jump in the car. Okay. Do a big jump. Don't screw this up. Whoa! Oh. Okay, so let's climb on the. Do I take damage? This looks like a mistake. Come on! No, hey. No. Okay. So we made it to the trash can. I say we get on the trash can and make a jump to it on that chair right there. Yeah, that did not go as planned. Jump on the telephone, make it halfway to the trash can. Okay, I take it back. This sounds a little easier than the one heavy sledgehammer. Let's go! That took forever. Oh my gosh. Holy crap. Yeah, make it. Jump. Balance. Why did it do that? Please save. Okay. We need to go. Oh! I see what we need to do. Okay. Way up here. That fall down wheel. How long is this gonna take? Hey, you saw the reference. We're at the lighthouse. We're at the light. Oh, croissant. Croissant. French. Do I speak French? Do I? No. I'm afraid this is all it for part 1. Part 2 is when I'm gonna go in that lighthouse. So, if you want to see more, make sure to like and subscribe. And also, if you like croissants, and also for a shout out. So see you in the next video. Hippo got out. Bye.